So a patient of grade 7 baldness in hair transplant is the maximum baldness. So his age is 54 years. He has traveled all the way from Canada to our clinic. So you can see a lot of bald area. So front, middle and the crown. In the second picture, you can see the forehead. The forehead, we have to give him a very good hairline. So the hairline is receded. You can see few hairs in the front. So we have to create a good hairline for him. So what was the challenge? So first was a lot of bald area and a minimal of the donor side for grade 7 baldness. So we have to convince him that we can do the hair transplant in 2 sittings. So in the first sitting, we always prefer to cover the front 50% of the area with the maximum density. So we do the grafts very close together because in the front your look should be very natural. And after 1 year in the second sitting, we can cover the crown area with a lesser density. So we can take the graft from the back of the head, that is your permanent donor side, and we have to save the donor area for the next sitting also. In the next sitting, we have also advised him that we have to take the graft from the beard area, that is the shadow area from the neck. So the plan was first hair transplant with maximum number of grafts with the high density, then second hair transplant, again the donor side from the back and mixing them with the beard hair after 1 year for the crown area. He has consulted many doctors, 2 or 3 doctors in Canada, and he has a lot of business in New Delhi. But why he came to Kyra Clinic? Because 3 of his friends from Canada has got hair transplant done from us. So there are a group of friends there, all are well settled, and 3 of his friends had got a beautiful result. So without any hesitation, he directly came to Ludhiana, skipping all the doctor's consultation he had before. And when he came to me, he talked to me. So the way we explained him, sent him lot of before after pictures of every month, how the hair transplant healing occurs, how your skin will behave. So he was convinced that I want to get hair transplant done from Dr. Vikas Gavri. Second thing is he want to get the hair transplant done from a plastic surgeon. So very few patients. So I felt very glad. I was very happy to hear from him that I always wanted that plastic surgery is the one of the highest degrees to get the hair transplant done. So he came to me. So now I would like to show you the results. So you can see this is the high density natural hair transplant. We have given him the zigzag pattern and a single grafts in the front, then grafts with 2 to 3 hair behind. So it gives a very natural hairline.
Hello, second time here at Kyra Clinic. सबसे पहले मैंने almost 8 months पहले front के बाल कराए थे and I'm here for my crown now. The very reason I'm here for the crown at the same place is because completely satisfied with the work that Dr. Gavri and his team has done, especially Ravi. Kudos to him. The facility is very neat and clean. They take care of the hygiene really well, and the staff is extremely friendly. I would love to come back again if I needed to get anything done as far as aesthetics are concerned. Thanks.